Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food, Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare Jaggery sweet chakli, instant chakli recipe. In Maharashtra it is called as sweet chakli or a Waliv Ladu. In South it is called as instant Murukku recipe. This recipe is a traditional and nutritious sweet recipe made from wheat flour and jaggery. Sweet Jaggery Chakali or Murukku are especially popular during the winter season and also during the festivals. The ingredients needed for this sweet chakli or Murukku or wheat flour. Primary base ingredient is the wheat flour. Second is jaggery, which is called as gur or gud, used as a healthier sweetener than refined sugar. Third is chana gram flour called as besan. Oil is needed for it, essentially for roasting and binding the chaklis. Dry fruits you can use as you wish. Common additions includes almond, cashew, cardamom powder you can use. Often includes health benefit, particularly in winter preparation. Dry coconut also you can use as a texture and a flavor. Add water to jaggery and heat it for 2 to 3 minutes. Make a mixture of jaggery water. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes till it becomes mixture of jaggery. After this hot mixture, mix with wheat flour. Mix all the gram flour, wheat flour and butter plus jaggery water slowly. Make sure everything is well combined. Add butter, crumble and mix until the flour is well combined with butter. Start to knead the dough. Knead to smooth and soft dough as required. After mixing all ingredients, the flour is mixed well and combined. Add the softened butter to dry the mixture. Mix with your fingertips until the mixture is well combined and has a crumbly texture. Gradually, little by little, knead into the smooth and soft, non-sticky dough like a chapati dough. Take the dough and give cylindrical shape to the dough. You can use chakli maker also, but often it is easy to make with hands. Tighten the lid and start preparing chaklis or sweet jaggery chaklis. Give spiral shape for chaklis by pressing the chakli maker or with your hands. Seal the ends so that it doesn't fall apart while deep frying. This sweet jaggery chakli or murukku is nutritious snack as it provides carbohydrate for energy and depending on the recipe can be a good source of proteins and fiber from ingredients. It also contains minerals like calcium and iron. Addition like cumin seeds. It offers naturally free when made with rice flour, making it suitable for those benefit for health. Rice flour base provides carbohydrates, offering a quick source of energy. Heat the oil in pan. Fry the sweet jaggery chaklis or murukku on a medium heat. The bubbling in the oil will gradually subside as they cook. Flip them occasionally. Fry until they turns a golden color, brown, and they become crispy. Sweet Jaggery Chakali or Murukku made with the jaggery offers a general nutritional benefits combined with the added minerals and antioxidant properties of jaggery made it a potentially healthier alternative to those made with refined white sugar. Unlike refined sugar, jaggery contains essential minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium and zinc, which supports various body functions, immune system health and the bone strength. Fried sweet jaggery chakali or Murukku effectively, you must maintain the medium to medium high oil temperature and fry in small batch until the oil bubbling subsides and the chaklis are golden brown and crispy from both the sides. Enough oil for the deep frying into the thick bottom pan. You can use groundnut or peanut oil is recommended for the best flavor. The key indication that the chaklis are cooked in is when the oil is bubbling and foaming significantly subside. Once the chaklis are golden brown and crispy, remove them from the oil using the slotted spoon and drain the excess oil on kitchen paper. Allow the chaklis to cool completely before transferring them to an airtight container. They will become crispier as they cool. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, comments and share the video. Thank you for watching my video.